What's up, guys? Welcome to Blackout Tinting. It's Wednesday. We take you behind the scenes and show you what's in the shop. We'll start over here to my left today. We've got a Tesla Cybertruck, which can't be confused with anything other than a Tesla Cybertruck. Half of you watching this probably hate it because of Elon, and half of you probably love it because of Elon. But today, we don't care. We love it because we're working on it. We're doing satin PPF, satin black PPF on this. So it won't look like stainless steel anymore. It'll be satin black, but still have all the great self-healing protective properties of PPF. It's prepped, disassembled, got film cut, it's ready to go. Behind that, we've got a project here. Previously wrapped the car in tech wrap, rose gold, or whatever this color's called, and now we're doing door jambs. You can see how very complicated this process is. The doors have to come off the car, many pieces, and strategically placed seams to make sure that that holds up. That's what she wanted to do, so that's what we're doing. In the wash bay, Z06, cool color combo. It's got the red interior. We did PPF window tint on this one. Ready to go home. JM is just doing the final cleanup. So every car that gets PPF or a coating also gets a quick vacuum and wipe down on the interior. And we just basically want to make sure the car is super presentable for you when you pick up. In the ceramic bay, we have a truck that we previously ceramic coated over 4 years ago. It's outside of its warranty period. The gentleman wants to polish it and have it recoated. So he obviously loved the way the coating performed and wants to do it again. So that's what we're doing. We're polishing the paint, giving it a nice refresh, making it look brand new again, and putting another layer of ceramic coating on there. Outside, we've got some cool stuff. We have Justin's T-Rex. This is, of course, our friend and business partner in Florida, horsepower obsessed. It's here for a ceramic refresh, cleanup. We're always taking care of stuff for him. This Denali beside it, I think, is here for a window tint. Beside that, we have the Lexus, and this is where you can see the door jambs were red. Typically wraps, that's what we do. The door jambs stay the body color of the car. We charge extra, of course, for the jams. She decided afterwards that she would like to do those. And Mr. Barbish brought us an Escalade V. This is getting a full PPF wrap, window tint all the way around, ceramic coating, and we tinted the headlights and taillights with tinted PPF that looks freaking awesome. So it looks like paint. It's super shiny, just like PPF is, but it's got a tint to it. Really cool product. We don't use that much, but when we do, it looks great. This Corvette previously had a full wrap. It's back for an annual inspection, as well as some PPF repair. There was some damage to the PPF in 2 areas we took care of. And beside it, we've got a Lexus. This one's here for paint protection film on the front bumper. This will be done today. Against the building, we have a Ferrari F12. If you've never heard one of these cars, you should, because they sound incredible. It's got a V12 in it, and this one had a PPF, basically a wrap, old, probably 10 years old or something from whenever the car was new, and it's time to replace that. We didn't do it, but we're going to be removing the film from that. It also had a vinyl wrap on the top half that was starting to look pretty rough too, so we're taking that film off and we're going to rewrap that. So lots of unwrapping and rewrapping, basically just bringing this car back up to speed, making it look brand new again, which is what we love to do. Always on a battery tender, Ferraris. Never unplug them. And up front, there's 2 familiar faces. If you've been watching us for a while, my GT4, Miami Blue, I love that car. Next to my GT3 RS. And beside that is another Z06. This one got PPF, the front half. I want to say maybe rockers as well, if I remember correctly, and a ceramic coating. It's just waiting to go home. So once the owner makes it over here to pick it up, that one will be gone. Check out the other 2 shops.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up is the C7 Corvette, in for some paint protection film. It's called our full front clip package. In the coating bay, we got Mark doing his thing on this Harley Davidson. This brand new bike was shipped directly to us. It's in for a full polish and 4-year ceramic coating. Over here, we got Cole in the tint bay doing a 2020 Volvo S90. It's getting 35% tint on the side windows and the back window. Tucked away in the back, we got a couple black SUVs. Firstly is a Grand Highlander. This got some paint protection film on the front of the vehicle, along with a polish and 4-year coating. And next to that is a Jeep Grand Cherokee. We did some PPF and coating work on this about a year ago at this point. It's back in for an annual maintenance checkup, and it's all set to hit the road. In the wash bay, we got a brand new Ram Rebel. This is in for a track package, so the entire front, lower sides of the vehicle in for paint protection film. We are also doing tint on the side windows, the back window, and the moonroof. On the lift is a Porsche Cayenne GTS, courtesy of Swickley Car Store. This vehicle is getting the works. Full 8mm paint protection film wrap, Fusion Plus Premium 8-year ceramic coating, and tint all the way around, and 20%. That's all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today. We have this Rivian R1S. It's in for full ceramic coating and XR Plus window tint all around. And here is the completed product of this Rivian R1S. It received a Fusion 4-year ceramic coating with XR Plus all around windshield and all the sides. Here we have our full wrap of the week. This is a 2025 Acura MDX Type S, and this is getting a full body xpel Stealth to make this color matte. We're doing xpel gloss on all the gloss black trims to give it that nice two-tone contrast. Here we have the completed product, full stealth wrap on this yellow C8, gloss PPF over all the black areas, windshield protection, ceramic tint, ceramic coating, interior and exterior, wheels and calipers. She's ready to go home. Here we have our completed product. This 911 received a full front paint protection film with A pillars and the partial roof, and full ceramic tint all around 70%.